Hello, curl friends and guys. Welcome back to the channel, The Silver Crown. If this is your first time stopping by, thank you so much for being here. We're glad you're here. We're a very interactive channel, and we are looking forward to hearing from you in the very near future. I have run across a new product. I didn't actually run across it per se, but there's a store that I shop at quite frequently, and I guess they're so happy to have my business that they put me a little trinket in a bag and gave it to me for free. So if you want to know what that is and how it worked for me, just hang on and I'll be right back with that information. Well, the first thing I want to tell you guys, again, is thank you so much for all my new subscribers that signed on this week and last week. I really appreciate it. And some of you have gone back and were looking at some of my older videos from a year ago and from when I first started a couple of years ago. I don't know why you're just now getting to that. But anyway, I invite you to go ahead and do that, look back on it, and look how weird the journey has been for the last 2+ years. Anyway, so my husband went to the store for me, and when he came back, I guess because we shop at this particular store so often, they put a product that I had never heard of in a bag for him with a few other little gifts that they didn't charge me for. This product line is called Beauty and Planet. I don't know if you've ever heard of it or not. Uh-oh, there you go. This is the shampoo. And then they gave me the conditioner as well. Oops, there you go. I had never heard of it. Never saw it advertised anywhere before. And I was due to wash my hair. So today I'm wearing a twist out because I washed my hair with this. And I used a conditioner. I wanted to see how it worked on my hair. And it worked just fine. I've never heard of this before. Like I said, this is, it's all organic. It's not been tested on animals. This is argan oil and lavender. And it does smell very much. It's, now some of you might not like this, the smell. It's, lavender can be quite pungent, and this is very, it's pretty pungent. So there's a lot of lavender fragrance in here. But this, it starts out with water. This is a sulfate shampoo, apparently. But it's got lavender, argan oil, coconut oil. So for those of you that have low porosity hair, you probably don't want to use this because of the coconut oil. Citronella. Well, it looks to me like it might not be all natural. It has lemon or lanolin in it. Lanolin. Why do you put lanolin in shampoo? Anyway, it worked really well on my hair. The conditioner, when I was in the shower, I put the conditioner on, and then I went ahead and finished washing up. And then I rinsed it out, and I'm telling you, when I rinsed it, I could feel the difference. My hair was very soft when I got out of the shower, and I just kind of blotted my hair, and then I went to put in my coconut oil and do my whole thing that I usually do, and it was very easy to comb. Very easy to comb. I don't see any wax or what's the other stuff people don't like? Anyway, I don't see any wax in here or silicone, unless it's under some weird name that I don't know. But anyhow, it worked very well for my hair. So if you want to look it up online, I don't really know anything about it except it came to me as a gift. I tried it, I liked it, and but it does bubble. Now sometimes people are saying for people that have type 4 hair, if you're into typing hair, You don't want to use shampoos that bubble because all the suds and stuff really strips the oil out of your already dry hair. That's the philosophy behind that. So this, definitely makes suds, and you don't want to use it if you don't want to use a sudsing shampoo. So anyway, I just wanted to tell you that and let you know that things are going okay with my perfume experiments. I'm having a blast making perfume. I don't even know how many I have now. A lot. And perfumes and perfumed oils and all that. The last two that I made, one is called Tangier. And the other is called Sierra. Sierra's not in a fancy bottle. But anyway, Tangier is in a fancy bottle, and it smells really good, and I'm so proud of myself. Anyhow, if you guys would like to know some of the recipes that I use, just write me at my email address, and I'll be glad to write you back and tell you what I used. I'll tell you the ingredients that I used. I won't necessarily tell you how much because it really depends on the size of your bottle and what kind of container you want to put it in. So you'll have to be the judge of that for yourself. But if you write me, I'll be happy to write you back. My email address, I'll pop it up here. You should see it up here on the screen, and it's also in the description box. So anyhow, just wanted to jump on here and tell you guys hello, show you this new product I have, my twist out that I'm wearing. I think I do better with wash and goes. But anyhow, let me know what you think of this twist out. And I will see you the next time I come on. Keep it natural.